Electronic cigarettes are starting to catch on, with the industry expected to hit nearly $2 billion in sales this year alone. I'm Tom Bemis for MarketWatch with a look at 5 things e-cigarettes won't tell you. Number 5, they're not just for nicotine. E-cigarettes are easily adaptable to all kinds of substances, notably marijuana and potentially crack cocaine. And because there's far less smoke, it's hard to tell what people are smoking. Number 4, it's still big tobacco. The big 3 tobacco companies, Altria, Reynolds American, and Lorillard, are all making electronic cigarettes in a bid to adapt their $80 billion industry to the new technology. Number 3, they're safe, right? Well, maybe. Sure, e-cigarettes have fewer toxins and none of the tar associated with traditional cigarettes, but studies have still found carcinogens in the vapor that gets inhaled, and the secondary vapor has been shown to cause respiratory and disease problems. Number 2, if you switch to e-cigarettes, you haven't really quit smoking. E-cigarettes are marketed as a smoking cessation tool, but in some cases people use them to get their nicotine fix in places where now they can't even smoke. Number 1, kids love them. Sure, the industry claims e-cigarettes aren't aimed at teenagers. That's probably why they came up with flavors like Gummy Bear, Fruit Loop, and Cotton Candy. Of course it works. The number of middle and high school students who've tried e-cigarettes doubled between 2011 and 2012 to nearly 2 million.